Hello outdoor enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor furniture and exploring the best materials for durability and easy maintenance. Whether you're lounging by the pool or hosting a barbecue in your backyard, choosing the right outdoor furniture materials can make all the difference. Let's get started. 1. Teak. Let's begin with teak, a popular choice for outdoor furniture due to its natural resistance to water, insects, and rot. Teak is known for its durability and beautiful golden hue, which weathers to an attractive silver gray over time. While teak requires minimal maintenance, occasional cleaning and oiling can help preserve its natural beauty. 2. Aluminum. Next up, we have aluminum, a lightweight and corrosion-resistant material that's perfect for outdoor furniture. Aluminum furniture is easy to clean, rust-proof, and requires minimal maintenance. Plus, it's available in a variety of styles and finishes, making it a versatile choice for any outdoor space. 3. Synthetic wicker. Synthetic wicker, also known as resin wicker, is another popular choice for outdoor furniture. Made from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, or other synthetic materials, synthetic wicker is resistant to fading, cracking, and peeling, making it ideal for outdoor use. It's easy to clean with soap and water and comes in a wide range of colors and styles to suit your taste. 4. Powder-coated steel. Powder-coated steel is a durable and weather-resistant material that's commonly used in outdoor furniture frames. The powder coating protects the steel from rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability. However, it's essential to inspect powder-coated steel furniture regularly for signs of wear and touch up any chips or scratches to prevent rust. 5. High-performance plastics. Lastly, high-performance plastics such as polyethylene, PE, and polypropylene, PP, are excellent choices for outdoor furniture due to their durability, UV resistance, and low maintenance requirements. These materials are lightweight, easy to clean, and available in a variety of colors and styles to suit your outdoor aesthetic. And there you have it, our guide to the best materials for outdoor furniture, focusing on durability and easy maintenance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more outdoor living tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy furnishing!